In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your business location in Google Maps. Whether you've moved to a new place or simply need to update your business's address for accuracy, this tutorial will ensure your customers can always find you easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is the starting point for updating your business information on Google Maps. Once you're on the Google Maps homepage, look towards the top left of the screen. You'll see a search bar prominently displayed there. Click on this search bar to begin. Now, in the search bar, type in the name of your business. It's crucial to enter the exact name as it appears on Google Maps to ensure you find the right listing. After typing in your business name, hit enter and Google Maps will display search results related to your query. Next, look through the results to find your business. Once you locate it, click on the listing. This action will bring up a panel on the left side of the screen with detailed information about your business, such as location, contact details, and reviews. Scroll down within this panel until you spot the option that says Suggest and Edit. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to your business information. This feature is particularly helpful for business owners and managers who need to keep their location details up to date. After clicking Suggest and Edit, you'll see several options you can modify. Focus on the section labeled Location. Click on it to proceed with updating your business location. This is where you'll input the new details about your business's address. Make sure to enter the correct address, as this will affect how customers find your business. Once you've made the necessary changes to your location details, it's time to submit your update. Review your changes carefully, ensuring that everything is accurate and reflects your current business information. When you're satisfied with the changes, click the Submit button. After submitting, Google will review your suggested edits. This process can take some time, so don't worry if the changes aren't immediately reflected on Google Maps. Google may contact you for verification to ensure the authenticity of the update. Keep an eye on your email or Google My Business account for any notifications regarding your submission. And there you have it. You've now successfully updated your business location on Google Maps. Keeping your business information current is essential for customer satisfaction and maintaining a strong online presence. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your customers always have the most accurate information about where to find you. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change your business location on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.